In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Stacy's Mom by Fountains of Wayne off of their album, Welcome Interstate Managers. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing Ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Stacy's Mom was your favorite pop punk song of the 2000s. And let's dive in. This song's gonna be in standard tuning. Let's take a look at that opening riff. So that opening riff sounds like this. Okay, so what we're doing is using power chords. We're gonna start on this low E power chord. Okay, so that's open, 6th string, 2nd fret, 5th string, and 4th string. We'll hit that 3 times. Okay, and we're palm muting 8th notes with the right hand. Then we come up to 5th fret, 6th string. Now here I'm just using a 2-string power chord. 5th fret, 6th string, 7th fret, 5th string. So we'll hit that 5 times. So this one 3 times, this one 5 times. Then what we'll do from here is do this tiny little run here. So that's 7th fret, 6th string, 6th fret, 5th string, 7th fret, 5th string. And then we hit that A power chord again. Okay, and then to transition back into that riff, what we'll do is hit the open 1st and 2nd strings. So we'll cycle through that part several times in the intro. So it'll sound like this. Okay, we'll end the intro with just hitting that A power chord. And then we'll enter the verse. The verse is the exact same part as that intro riff with one difference. Okay, so what we're doing is we're skipping this hit every other time through. So the first time through, we don't hit that accent. Second time through, we do. Third time through, we don't. Fourth time through, we do. And then coming out of the verse, we'll play this for the pre-chorus. Okay, so all we're doing there is just alternating 4th fret, 6th string power chord. I'm using a 3-string power chord here. And then 5th fret, 6th string power chord. So just downstroking 8th notes with the right hand, letting them ring out. We hit that 5 times, and then we enter the chorus. The chorus will sound like this. So let's break down those chorus chords. So the first chord we're going to hit is this A major chord. So that's open 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd, and then an open 1st string. We'll hit that just one time, and then we'll lift the pinky off, so that way we have an open 2nd string now as well. So this is an A suspended 2nd chord, and we'll hit that twice. So we go from A major to A suspended 2nd twice. And then we hit an E major chord. So that is okay, 2 more times, and then to this B power chord, just a standard power chord shape, 2nd fret, 5th string. And then slide that up to 4th fret. And I'm including the minor note here, so it's 4th fret power chord, but I'm going to include my middle finger on the 5th fret of the 2nd string. Okay, so all together so far we have this. And it repeats. Okay, 3rd time through here, starts the same way. Now this next chord will have 3rd fret, 5th string, 4th fret, 4th string, and then 5th fret, 3rd string. And then up to that minor shape again. So that 3rd time through is okay, and then the 4th time coming out of the chorus is palm muting the A power chord, so that's open 5th string. Then B power chord, 2nd fret, 5th string. So we hit that 7 times, and then we hit those accent notes again, open 1st and 2nd string. So let's play the chorus all the way through. Sounds like this, top to bottom. And then at this point, we're back into that intro riff. In the second verse, we have a rhythm guitar playing the exact same thing it did in the first verse. So we still have this rhythm guitar playing that intro riff, just skipping the accent notes every other time. But there will also be a lead guitar part in the second verse. So there's this lead guitar in the second verse that's playing this part over top of those chords. Okay, so what I'm doing there, 4th fret, 3rd string, open 2nd and 1st, and we're just arpeggiating, so I'll play the 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string, 2nd string. Then I'll slide down here, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, open 1st string. Same arpeggiation pattern. Then I'll slide up, 4th fret, 3rd string, 4th fret, 2nd string, open 1st string, and then back down to 2nd fret, 2nd fret, open. So all together slow. So that part will repeat throughout the second verse, and then we'll enter a pre-chorus and a chorus, the same as the first. So that pre-chorus part again. Right into the chorus. And at this point, we enter the guitar solo. So I'll play the solo once through. Let's break that part down. So we're starting 5th fret, 3rd string, hammer on 7, slide up to 9, and then pick 7 again. Then we'll play 9th of the 4th string, jump to 5th of the 4th string, 7th of the 4th string. We'll hit that 3 times, back to 5th, slide up to 9, 7, slide down to 5. And that's the first sequence. So it sounds like this, slow. Okay, and then we'll repeat up to this point. And then from here, we'll jump to 4th fret, 3rd string, pick it, and then half step bend 3 times. And then we'll repeat the phrase again. Then we'll do that 4th fret, 3rd string bend. Then jump up to 8th fret. Same bend on that fret. So altogether, the solo sounds like this, slow. At this point, there's a key change in the song. So what we're going to do is play another chorus, but we're going to have to use different chords because now the song is in another key. So instead of playing this, instead of playing that part, we're in a different key now. So now we're going to have to start 3rd fret, 5th string. Okay, so it's the same part, it's just up 3 frets. Okay, so I'm just using a power chord, 3rd fret, 5th string, and going to this G major shape, 3rd fret, 6th string. So it's like a power chord. I include the middle finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd string. Then up to this D power chord, 5th fret, 5th string. Slide it up to 7th fret and include that minor note. Middle finger on the 8th fret of the 2nd string. So all together. Now right here, just like we were doing in the other choruses, we have to jump up and play this kind of awkward chord. This time it's 6th fret, 5th string, 7th fret, 4th string, 8th fret, 3rd string. And then into that minor shape again. Okay, Okay, so 3rd fret, 5th fret, and then repeat. So we'll play that last chorus twice through. So we'll play at this key twice through. And the very end of the song is just these palm muted power chords, 3rd fret, 5th string, palm muted 5th fret, 5th string. We'll play this one 7 times. And then it ends with the vocal only part. Was Fountains of Wayne a one-hit wonder? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.